Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can remove a friend on Facebook. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in Facebook, you want to click on someone here, and when you're going to see next to the message, you see this like the person with a sign up, right? Click on it and you can take a break, edit a friend list or unfriend. When you're going to click unfriend, are you sure you want to remove as your friend? And you just press confirm. And that's pretty much it how you do it. So again, you press here, unfriend, and voila, confirm. So let's go again. You click on whatever name. This guy only followed. So click on a name, click here and unfriend. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.